Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the job site. Here we are again today, back at this job. We are doing vinyl soffit in a vaulted ceiling. Matt's already got it going. So here we go, guys. I'll show you a quick thing here, and then we'll put it into time lapse, and we're gonna kick some ass on this ceiling. It's almost time to go home. Oh, that shit's looking good already. Nice. Got a vote. Today's election day. You boys get out there and vote. Alright guys, here's what we got going on. We got this ceiling, and the soffit material comes in at 12 foot even. And we had like 12 foot 5. So we had a 2x4 on each side, broke aluminum to go around there to bring that number under 12 foot. So all our material works without a joint. Check it out. 2x4 wrapped in aluminum. Got the J on there. Very up one piece of soffit there. We're ready to roll. Alright, Burn. We got this ceiling licked. Sun's going down. We're losing daylight. We're on the last piece. So I gotta call this video right here. Pretty simple little video. All we did was close in the ceiling, and it looks killer. Take a look. I don't know why more people don't just use soffit material. I mean, it's cheap. It looks beautiful. Check it out. Oh. Wow, that's awesome. 4 lights, a ceiling fan, and TV's gonna go right there. How cool is that? Extended the deck over 4 feet. Used the old railing, made some new railing. It looks real good. This job came out primo. Last piece, and we're going home. Alright guys, I'll check you out on the next video. See ya.